This is an opportunity to take a broad general review of the current status of waste plastics recycling. In an attempt to gain a better understanding of the plastic recycling process and procedures, we have compiled this overview as a method to look at the industry. In an effort to understand some of the key fundamentals that drive the waste and recycling industry, we have developed a website, waste.net, to act as a tool to assist in grasping the 4R strategy of reduce, reuse, recycle, and recover. Within the 4R's recycling sector, the issues surrounding waste plastics seems to invoke a great deal of emotion and discussion. Plastics are technically a highly recyclable commodity, but attitudes, misinformation and challenging economics have combined to shed somewhat of a negative light on many plastic recycling efforts. There are many types of plastics that have proliferated throughout the world around us. The collection of these bulky, lightweight waste materials, that may be mixed or contaminated, may represent an economic and logistical challenge. Many legacy recycling systems have been based upon segregating single grades of clean plastics in order to be eligible to enter into the recycling process. Historical manual and mechanical sorting systems have been somewhat limited in their capabilities. Once clean, single grades of scrap materials are delivered to a plastic recycling processing operation. The procedure is then quite straightforward. The clean sorted scrap is typically shredded or granulated into a uniform size and specification. This material is referred to as regrind. The regrind may be extruded directly into a product or into a reprocessed pellet, which is referred to as repro. Strong market demand for regrind and repro exists within the plastics product manufacturing industry as a virgin material substitute. Virgin plastic resin producers manufacture plastics directly from petrochemical feedstocks and do not use scrap in their process. Unlike paper mills or steel mills that require scrap as a feedstock in their process, which establishes an economic model for recycling back to the centralized mills. No such model exists within the plastics industry. Plastic resin producers, that do not use scrap, distribute their virgin resins to plastic product and packaging manufacturers. These manufacturers then convert the resins into their own products, which they in turn distributed to their broader group of customers. These manufactured plastic products are then typically distributed further and are widely dispersed. Many of these products ultimately may end up distributed to individual consumers around the world. This creates an end-of-life issue for the orphaned waste plastic products and packaging. In some geographic locations, end-of-life waste plastics are used as a combustion fuel in an energy from waste facility. Some advanced recycling techniques utilize waste plastics in the conversion to oil or fuel products. Full pyrolysis processes may convert mixed or contaminated waste plastics into refined raw elements or feedstocks. If you wish to discuss solutions for the waste plastic recycling issues, you may reach out to us at waste.net at your convenience. We intend to discuss individual segments of the plastic recycling industry in greater detail at some point in the future. Until then, please feel free to visit our website at www.waste.net for additional information.